Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called the Small Creator Sunday, and that's hosted by Tiff from Broke Girl Aesthetic. Now the co-host of this collab is Cindy from Z9 Designs, and then it's the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. Now the theme for the month of May is called Summer of Love. I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels down below in the description box below. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, click that like button, because every time you do, you help YouTube to notice us just a little bit more. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all you who've been following me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create these crafts will be listed in the description box below. They're mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now in this video, I decided to make some candle holders that I know my mom would absolutely love. So I grabbed some of the little sauce dishes that you can get in a 4-pack in the glassware section of the Dollar Tree. We're going to use these to create stands for those thrifted glasses that I thrifted from the Goodwill. Now I'm using these as a gift, and so I'm using a permanent adhesive. Remember, when you're using a permanent adhesive, you want to be in a well-ventilated area and allow 24 to 48 hours of drying time so you don't have any accidents. So those two pieces have to be set aside to dry, and now we're going to go ahead and embellish the centerpiece one. This I did at the very beginning of the video, glued these pieces together, and now all we're doing is embellishing the center candle. Now what I will say is that all the embellishments that I'm adding to this are all from the Dollar Tree, except for the iridescent gems that you'll see me using toward the end. You'll see what I mean. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and leave you to some music while I finish embellishing this piece. Okay, so now we have all of the 3 pieces already decorated. We're going to be using some Dollar Tree candles and melt those down because we're going to make candles out of these 3 pieces. Okay, so all of the wax that I'm going to be using to make candles is already melted. Now all we have to do is glue the wax wick down into each one of those pieces and then pour the melted wax in. Be very careful because you don't want to get burned. Okay, so we need to leave those sit so they can solidify, and then we're going to go ahead and light them and head on over to the reveal, guys, because my mom loves candles. So now I do want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for hosting this collaboration. I think these candles came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.